Hello one and all, my name is Mark. Today I'm going to be creating something I'm not too familiar with, Twitch sub badges. I'm going to be doing this for a friend of mine. He goes by the name of Cheezy Tuba on Twitch. That's twitch.tv/Cheezy Tuba. Check out what he does over there. He's been streaming games like Smite, Valorant, and MLB The Show 20. The link is in the description down below. And without further ado, let's head over to the studio and get started. Just the other day, Cheezy Tuba and myself got together to brainstorm a couple ideas onto paper. He particularly wanted a baseball bat for the sub badges and a baseball with his name on it for the logo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and digitally bring these images to life. First things first, I have to pick out the appropriate font for the logo. We have to make sure that it's clean and clear, not obstructed by anything else in the drawing. He also wanted to include his actual signature, so I made sure that it was neatly and legibly displayed. It was a little weird trying to get someone else's signature just right, but by golly, I got it done. I added some textures, a little weathering to give this ball more character. For this next bit, I'm going to set my pixels to 200 by 200 so it can be easily read by the naked eye when shrunk. Before diving in, I watched a video on YouTube by Jacey Chace. They go into great detail on the ins and outs of making Twitch badges. If you're looking for more information on this matter, please take a gander at their channel. The link is in the description down below. Here, you can watch me struggle with making a simple shape known as a bat. This outline is going to be used for both the wooden and aluminum design. I tried to use a preset brush that comes included with Sketchbook. However, I thought it needed a more natural look, so I put in the wood grain by hand. The aluminum bat was a bit easier to put together. Appropriately, I put a nice fitting grip. He wanted to add text to the bat, but at this size, it's a little challenging to read something so blurry, so I did away with it. Okay, I went ahead and sent Cheezy Tuba the rough designs of his logo and badges. In the meantime, I'll wait for his response. I think we're gonna watch a throwback called Angels in the Outfield. Alright, my buddy got back to me. He loved everything that I made. We just have to make a couple changes and we'll have ourselves a finished product. Aside from the extra color bleeding outside of the line, the baseball itself is perfect. We're just going to take Cheezy from the top and place it next to the tuba, drop the signature, and make his name larger. For some reason, when I try to scale up the font in Sketchbook, the tops of the letters cut off. I have no idea why this happens. I just try to work with the jank. So he noted that he was gonna need 6 different badges. I got a couple ideas. First, I'm going to take the handle and the shiny part of the aluminum bat and make a bronze and golden bat from that. Then, I took the wooden bat, added barbed wire, blood, more blood, and I made a Walking Dead inspired design. Kinda looks like Negan's bat.
Who are you?
Oh, you better be joking.
When shrinking the bats, instead of having Cheezy Tuba's entire name, he suggested to abbreviate it, leaving just the C and the T. I gave it a little pizzazz with a neat looking oval around the letters. After tinkering around with these badges, I got another last minute idea. To make a broken, splintered bat. I love the outcome. And there you have it. Here is the evolution of the logo design from start to finish. And here are all the badge designs put together in a neat manner. I think this is a good way of displaying the work. Make sure to pop by Cheezy Tuba's Twitch and subscribe to see some fun stuff including my artwork. Tell him Mark sent you. Thank you so much for clicking onto my video. If you would like to see more, consider subscribing to my channel, where I take you on my creative journey and breaks from reality. I'll catch you next time. Stay safe and stay creative.
Hot diggity dog! This place is magnificent.